Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll practice scribble art. Let's start with a very simple portrait. First I'll do a rough sketch of my drawing with pencil. I use just a simple black pen. Many people are professional in scribble art, but I see it as a healing process. It drains all the negative feelings or emotions like sadness, irritation, anger, or even art block. It seems like all those feelings just slides from your mind through your hand into the scribbles in an artistic manner. See here, I have not done any sharp features of the face as it's a shadow types painting. Sometimes I feel like the scribbles are like human mind. When you look at someone, you may think that he or she is beautiful or something. But when you try to understand that person's mind, it's really very hard. This was my point of view on scribble art, how I feel when I draw these scribbles on my copy. So the first portrait is complete. Here also I start with a basic sketch with pencil. So the basic sketch of this portrait is complete. Now, after adding some details, you may say her face features are very sharp, but everyone is beautiful in their own ways. Do comment your thoughts, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.